Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is circle the first letter of each picture. Playgroup class, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is ant. This is an ant. The initial letter of ant is A. Sounds like A. Ant. Ant. Now we will circle the letter A like this. The next picture is cake. This is a cake. The initial letter of cake is C. Sounds like K. Cake. Cake. Now we will circle the letter C like this. The third picture is butterfly. This is a butterfly. The initial letter of butterfly is B. Sounds like B. Butterfly. Butterfly. Now we will circle the letter B like this. The next picture is egg. This is an egg. The initial letter of egg is E. Sounds like egg. Egg. Now we will circle the letter E like this. The last picture is dog. This is a dog. The initial letter of dog is D. Sounds like D. Dog. Dog. Now we will circle the letter D like this.